Alright, we fishing a tournament at Lake Lake, Coosa Valley, Bassmasters. And we're at Lake Lake. It's June 7th, and Hunter's asleep, hoping these fish wake him up. Mayflies, dog. That is, that's promising.
Why is that promising?
Because fish gorge on them, and they'll be stacked up where they're at, coming off these trees. Yeah, that was a gar right there. Mayflies.
Lord, have mercy. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That was a hell of a bite. Is that good? Oh God, what a bite. Good job. Old mean spots, boy. What?
Okay. This one break. Let's put it back down in the net there. Thank you, sir. Or not. Sure, that works. Yeah.
Beautiful. Cut it tight. Look on there.
Number one.
Plum. Purdy, boy.
Which side was mine?
That one. I just lined it up with our seats. Yeah. God dang it. Small.
Really? Now we gotta be 12.
Number one. It's 12. Move up just a little bit. I got hung too. I had a fish on there. Get off. Dang it. I mean, he's running with it. Dang it.
That actually is the
Running,
fish.
look, there he went. He just come up and, God dang it, that felt like a good one. I mean, that ain't good. God dang it. They got off. Whatever happened.
He got off.
And I just had one out of Carolina rigging at Goat Island. had one pick it up and start swimming with it, and I set the hook and started running and pulling drag, and somehow got me hung up somewhere, and I ended up breaking off. And then
Got one.
Fish jumped up, so I imagine that's the one I had. Hunter's got one on now. Feel good?
Yeah. Feels real good.
I like how you keep them down.
He felt better than that, but sure. Yeah, just put him down. Yeah.
No, I put him out this morning because he was doing stupid shit. I was up. Usually I don't have to deal with him like that. He was whining and crying and scratching. Look at that. Over there, stepping on. Okay. We didn't. We should do it that nice.
Guess I don't need to measure him.
No, he's speaking.
Number 2. No, I did the first one on the front camera.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Just makes it harder on the content. Cut her up. There we go.
Cut the one. Hopefully he's still.
Them spots mean. They ain't going nowhere.
Oko's felt way bigger than that.
It's because it's a spot, man.
Now. It's like it's gonna be.
Because it's a spot. Them dudes is on roids.
They're like they're small now.
I should change this rod out.
Dude, we were talking about it in the Logan Martin video. That reel seat's just coming apart on you.
I glued it. I just want to love somebody that catches more fish than me. Cause then it happened and she'll wanna go. She'll always load up to catch some more. I've been making some random shit for that song this morning. Do 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 do. Da, 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 da.
Yep, dude.
They're so energetic. I'm catching
Queen
dinks.
City.
I'm catching dinks that I gotta measure every time. Hunters catch them where you don't have to measure them. I don't think that was wrong. Keep looking at it. Second fish. I'm not even gonna measure it. Too short.
Put PJ right here, put PJ up there, and just get on his phone. Something like that.
News.
Yeah.
News.
I was like, you said about that.
Fish number 3 for me. Dude, that camera's crookeder than crooked.
Oh wait, that's yours.
He jumped out of my hand because of my thumb. Oh god, that hurt. Any kind of goodness I had going on with my thumb just got wrecked by that fish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I want to catch bigger than that though. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful fish. Gold. Alright, I'm gonna tell you a little secret. It's fish number 4 for me. Hey, when it first bit, it felt like a brim. And then he started swimming with it. Yeah. Seriously.
Really, dude? I'd call one of them.
Get it inside of his face.
Yeah, I know.
I think it's fish number 6. Hunter says it's 7. I can't remember.